Hi everybody! The sun came out. Yay! Look, I don't have my hat on. I don't even have my winter coat on. Oh my goodness. I think spring has finally sprung here in Virginia for the most part. We keep getting some winter weather, but I think we're there now. The chickens are starting to really lay. The turkeys are laying. The guineas are laying. Turkeys! Come on, turkeys! There you are! There's my turkeys! There's my turkeys, good turkeys! Here are my girls. And they have just now started to lay. Somebody committed a cardinal sin and was eating eggs. So in order to stop that, I got some wooden eggs and threw them in the pen. These are the wooden eggs that I use. Put some dots on. It works great. They peck at them and realize nothing happens. Then they stop eating the eggs. That works great for chickens too, by the way, if you have that problem. So as soon as they find out pecking eggs doesn't get them anything, they stop, which is awesome. But the funny thing is that the next day, all of the eggs that I had thrown in the yard were gone because the crows came and got them. There are crows all over the place here, and they're always, if they get an opportunity to steal an egg, they will. And they picked up all my wooden eggs and made off with them. I think it's pretty funny. Those are fake eggs. We just put those in there to encourage Peanut to not lay on the ground. I don't see any more in there. Okay, I feel bad because I didn't have treats for him last time. Turkeys, come on, turkeys. There you are. Yes, this time I got some treats for you. Oh, they're starving. They're just starving. Here's Grumpy. Look at you, Grumpy. Grumpy's enjoying the sun. Come here, Grumpy. Oh, he's a good fella. Yes, we should have named him Grumpy because he's a good boy. Yes, he is. It's like, bring me a little mama. Rebecca's guineas, and they are jailbirds. We're saving all their eggs. They just started laying. They're in their flight pen, and they will stay in there till probably around June, and then we'll let them free range again. These are some of my grow outs. They're all enjoying being out in the sunshine like I am. There they are. I can't quite let them free range yet. We still have to be a bit careful about bird flu. But we have to be cautious, so we are. But they're getting out into some grass. They can't quite free range yet, but that's coming this summer. And they're so pretty. And we have some younger grow outs in a more protected pen, and they're doing very well. We should have at least 30 point of lays ready to go by June. And of course my beloved Buff Orpingtons. What are you doing in here, Daisy? Well, I think this is a job for my husband. Good heavens. And here are the silly silkies. These are Rebecca's, and she loves them, And like the rest of the chickens, they're mostly jailbirds. We try to let them out a little bit, but they are mostly jailbirds. Mostly we keep them in this enclosure just to keep everybody safe. This is our guard peacock. It works great as a scarecrow, because these silkies are susceptible to everything out there, wants to eat them. So little things. There they are. What are you doing in here? It's a nice day. Like, would you leave us alone? There he is. This is an ERMINE AMERAUCANA. They are similar to Splash Americanas, only far more vivid. Lots more information to come on them. They won't be available this year, but we are so excited to have this new variety of Americanas, and I just cannot wait to start this new project. So I hope you can see him. He's so cute. You can see these spots already starting to show. He's just a baby, but hopefully you can see some of these spots already on him. And we have a couple of these ERMINE Americanas, and we have 10 ERMINE splits. So bred back to each other, we should get more ERMINEs. And this is a really fun project. Lots to learn about, working with the colors. We are just jazzed and thankful to the very, very kind friend that got us started with this. So thank you, Mary, for this opportunity. I really appreciate your kindness. And here we have Miss Tuna. Her name is Petunia, but Rebecca has called her Tuna, and so that's what she's going to be named, I guess. And there's Miss Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Aren't they getting big? See the heart on Daisy's back? Oh, there's Holly. Yeah, she stole your food, didn't she? You tell her. You tell her too. It's hard to take a picture because they're underfoot all the time. Here, my girls. Here are my girls. Oh, hi, Tuna. Yes, my sweet Tuna. Come on, Daisy. What you doing? Oh, don't lick. Starving to death. Yes, she is. Can't you get down? She's got her nice hard bed. What are you doing, Daisy? You give me my glove back. Oh, no, you don't. You give me my glove back. Silly goat. Hi, Taters. Taters. The sweetness. You got a fly on her. Allie loves the goats. They jump up on her legs and they eat her tail. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to start braiding her tail, I think. Yes, she needs a fly mask. There she goes. What are you doing, girls? Oh, my sweet girls. My sweet girls. Stop eating my pants. My girl, my sweet girl, my sweet girl. Hi, Tuna. There's my girl. Yes, she's a sweet one too. Oh, look at the face. Nope, no bottle. No bottle, sorry. No bottle.